Welcome to the channel. If you've ever wondered what exactly are digital products, or why is everyone suddenly talking about them in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down what digital products are, why they've exploded in popularity, and how you can start using them to build passive income and financial freedom, even as a beginner. So what are digital products? A digital product is any product you can sell or deliver online, with no physical inventory. Think of things like eBooks, online courses, Printables, Notion templates, digital planners, stock photos, software or apps, music, presets, or digital art. They're created once and sold over and over again, which makes them ideal for passive income. Once the product is live, your job is mostly marketing and scaling. The digital product market is booming in 2025, and here's why. Low startup cost. You don't need inventory, shipping, or a warehouse. Many creators start with just Canva, Notion, or Google Docs. Scalable income. You create a product once and sell it unlimited times with almost no added cost. High demand, more people are working remotely, starting online businesses, or looking for side hustles. There's massive demand for things like templates, guides, and online education. Easy to automate. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify let you sell while you sleep. Pair that with email marketing and content creation, and you've got a true passive income machine. Global reach. You're not limited to your local market. You can sell to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Let's say you're good at design. Sell Canva templates, Instagram post packs, or planners. Writing. Create an ebook or niche guide. Organization. Make Notion dashboards or Excel budget templates. Teaching. Record a mini course and sell it on Teachable or Gumroad. The key is to package your knowledge or skills into something useful and downloadable. People pay for solutions, speed, and simplicity. In 2025, the excitement surrounding digital products is palpable, and the possibilities seem endless. From aspiring entrepreneurs to seasoned professionals, more people are eager to explore this new realm of opportunities. Imagine the freedom of generating income while you focus on what you love, rather than being bogged down by traditional business constraints. Whether you're creating digital assets or leveraging existing skills, the sky truly is the limit in this thriving marketplace. The time to capitalize on this trend is now. Imagine diving into a world where your expertise becomes a valuable resource, transforming into an asset that can generate income without the hassles of traditional business models. The allure of digital products lies in their potential to streamline your entrepreneurial journey, allowing you to create, share, and profit from your passions effortlessly. As you embrace this dynamic landscape, consider how your unique skills can evolve into sought-after digital goods that meet the growing demand for creativity and innovation. The path to financial freedom through digital products has never been more accessible or exciting. Welcome to this exciting possibility. But before jumping in, it's crucial to identify your strengths. What skills can you share with the world? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, a talented writer, or an organized planner. Take a moment to consider this. Ask yourself, what makes you unique? By recognizing your talents, you unlock the door to creating products that not only resonate with potential buyers, but also enjoy the satisfaction of sharing your expertise. In this digital age, your knowledge can transform into solutions that help others, making real impacts while generating your income. This is your moment to shine. What if your passion for design could lead to creating stunning templates that others yearn to use? Or perhaps your knack for organization allows you to craft intuitive planners that simplify the lives of busy professionals. By honing in on what you excel at, you can tailor your offerings to meet the demands of a diverse audience. It's an exhilarating time to channel your creativity into practical, marketable solutions that cater to those seeking efficiency and quality. Each digital product you develop becomes an extension of your unique perspective, waiting to make its debut in the vast online marketplace. As you embark on this journey, remember, your contribution has the potential to inspire others. The beauty of digital products lies in their adaptability. Not only do they cater to a wide audience, but they also evolve based on emerging trends and consumer needs. By addressing these challenges with your digital products, you position yourself as a valuable resource in a rapidly evolving marketplace. The journey to building your online business starts here, and the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with a digital product you'd love to sell. New videos every week on digital products, passive income, and online business tips. See you in the next one.